In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix PayPal Express checkout issues in Shopify, a common problem many online store owners face. Let's dive right in and get your PayPal payment gateway working seamlessly again. First, open your web browser and head over to your Shopify store's admin page. Once you're there, you'll find yourself on the home page of your store's dashboard. Navigating from here might seem a bit daunting if you haven't done it before, but don't worry, we'll break it down step by step. Next, direct your attention to the left-hand menu and look for the option titled Settings. It's typically located towards the bottom of this menu. Click on that and it should bring you to a new page full of various settings options for your store. Now, within these settings, you'll see a variety of categories. What you need to do is locate and click on the Payments section. This is where most of the configuration for payment gateways, including PayPal, is done. Once clicked, wait a moment for it to load the relevant content. You should now see different payment providers listed, including PayPal. It might be under a section titled Payment Providers or something similar, depending on if Shopify has made any updates to the dashboard recently. Click on the PayPal option. This action should present you with all the settings related to PayPal on your store. The next step involves troubleshooting the PayPal account linking. You might notice that your PayPal account isn't properly connected, which is often the root of the issue. Double-check your account details here. Make sure the email address associated with your PayPal account is input correctly and is the one you have confirmed with PayPal. In case it isn't, or if you suspect there might be an issue, click on Deactivate. Don't worry, this will only temporarily disconnect your PayPal account. Post-deactivation, you'll see an option to reactivate or complete setup again. Click this and follow the on-screen instructions to link your account once more. You'll likely need to log into PayPal to authenticate and confirm the connection. After reactivating, double-check to ensure your configurations are saved. Sometimes settings might not save automatically if there is a browser glitch or a slow internet connection, so ensure everything looks correct before you close the tab. And that's it! Your PayPal Express checkout should now be functioning smoothly on Shopify. If you continue to face issues, consider reaching out to Shopify support or PayPal for further assistance, as there might be specific account-related issues that need a closer look. Remember, payment processing is a crucial part of running an online store, so keeping everything working smoothly helps promote customer trust and ensure a great shopping experience. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your Shopify journey.